welcome back to Pranavika Shop new vlog. It's raining and we are all set for the school. So let's go. And we will be very much careful because it's raining. And I got umbrella also. Are you ready? Let's go. Tony is back from the school. Hey, jump, only jump. No, only jump. And as it was rainy day and now no more rain, so she wants to jump in the water. She got hurt from while playing in the school, so her mood is not good that much. So now she will jump. Hey, ta. Dhwani is back after changing her shoes to jump in the water. Yeah, let's go. No.
With my hand. Jesus is with my hand.
She loves coloring, so she used to all the time coloring.
With my hand. Red. It's
Pranavika Chef is going for pizza.
निकले नहीं लाइट जला दी थी फिर वो जला क्या
So where are you going?
Clubhouse gym.
Clubhouse for pizza. Where is clubhouse?
Here.
Then come this side.
Look.
Yeah, we'll walk. Oh, you thought we are going with the car?
Big car.
Yeah.
Big car.
Dhwani is playing bingo. हम खेल रहे हैं bingo. Dhwani is quite upset because she didn't win anything.
घर पे आएगा गिफ्ट हम बोलो ना ऑनलाइन भेजेगा हमारे घर हाँ बोलो व्हाट डू यू वांट गिफ्ट में क्या चाहिए आपको दिस
गिरता भी क्या वो?
हाँ बालू गिरता है
ये मंगाया था आपने?
$15 पहले बिरयानी खाओगे बिरयानी बर्गर तो अरे तो गिफ्ट तो आएगा ना बेटा गिफ्ट आ जाएगा जब कोई बात बोलते सुना तो समझ जाएगा ना क्या किया तो पानी में आपको इतना
There is Neta.
कोई बात नहीं होता है